Alright guys, so in this video I can show you how to join properly the Discord community, right? So you guys have no doubts about Live Room, SRT Room, the community itself, the mentorship. So this video will clarify everything for you guys. Okay, so first thing, you come here to the channel, right? So Sky Trading channel, and you click the links, okay, in the description, and you will have this exclusive Discord community link. Okay, you can click here. This link is for follow me on Twitter, right? And this is the Fiverr's link. Okay, the prop firm link, right? So you're gonna click here on the Discord, and we'll open the Discord. Okay, right here, and you're gonna join, right? You just continue to Discord and join the server, right? So once you join the server, you will come to here. Okay, you land here, and for you it's gonna be in English or whatever language you are using, right? So for me it's Portuguese because it's my native language, but for you guys it's going to be in your language. Okay, so the first thing here, you you see here on the left side we have a lot of rooms and like sub communities, right? But let's start from the beginning. So the first one is get started. You come to the welcome page, okay, and here is a welcome message you're going to have, right? Explaining you have the free community, and you have the SRT room, and you have the live trading room, right? And you have the one-on-one mentorship room, okay? And everything here is optional, right? All those rooms that are paid are optional. Okay, you can come here and enjoy the free community, okay, but you can pay if you think that it's necessary for you. Okay, so the second channel is the official links. So you have all the official links here: a YouTube channel, the Twitter, the prop firm, the Discord. Okay, so these are the official links. The rules, okay, you can no spam, no self promotion, stay on topic, no signals, educational purpose, respect. You read this the rule for our better, you know, day to day here on Discord. Okay, the frequent question I did not put yet, but I will put. Okay, so here we have announcements. If we had some announcements, and here I put the how to join. Okay, the trading news, it's a bot, okay, that's warn about trading news of the day, right? So come here and how to join live, okay, because for you guys are not going to show this channel live trading, either this channel swing trade, okay, either this channel, and bots as well, because bots only appear for me, right? But bots is not necessary, but you only see the community, right? And the important and get started. Okay, this live trading, the swing trading, and the private mentorship, it's only gonna appear after you pay. Okay, so anyway, how to join live? Okay, so it's pretty simple. You just come here and click this link, how to join live, and going to open this WAP page. Okay, and you just buy here. It's 99 a month, right? And instantly and automatically you're going to gain your access. Okay, you're going to have your pro membership right here, so you can access in the pro membership, you can access the swing trade room and the live room. Okay, you have access to the live room and the swing trade room. Okay, and if you go into the SRT room, okay, it's the same thing. You just click here and go to WAP, and it's 49 a month. Okay, and you're going to have this exclusive membership. Okay, the exclusive membership, it's only for SRT swing trade. Okay, and if you see here, we have the mentorship row, right? And the mentorship row is not available to buy because it's like right now 2 spots, right? And one is already filled, so I still have 1 spot to mentorship, right? One-on-one mentorship. So if you are interested in this mentorship, okay, contact me and we can talk about the private mentorship, okay? And we'll release this room right here, okay? So let's go, and you have the support, right? And you can send your issues and stuff right here. I will answer you. I will not open this channel because a lot of people send me personal stuffs here. So anyway, you have the support channel, right? And you have the live room right here. So I do lives every day here in this channel, live room. Okay, we can chat as well in this channel, as you see, right? You can ask me things and whatever. And the SRT, okay, we have the trades channel that I send the trades right here. Okay, I send all the trades in swing trade SRT, and we have the chat as well, like people asking the stuff, I answer, you know. So that's what you get. And you have the, of course, the free general community. You can, you know, ask things and participate from the chats, from the analysis, right? The like this guy and this guy. So as long as you don't commit any spam or something like that, it should be fine. Okay, you can talk about your trading as trades that you see or trades that you took, or help other guys. That's totally fine. Okay, and then you have a voice channel as well. If you guys want to talk, you can use this voice channel. This voice channel is open, so you can use it. Okay, you come here and use the voice channel, right? So it's basically it. So for let's recap for how to join the live. You come here, how to join, and click the link. Go to up and sign. You gain automatically your role. Okay, you're going to have the pro membership here, and here you have the exclusive membership. Okay, and we'll open this channel and this channel for you as well. And if you want the private mentorship, okay, you contact me and I will tell you more about the private mentorship, right? So it's basically it to join the Discord, and I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope you see you guys on the Discord. All right, bye bye.